Yo, what is going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video, what we got for you guys is, well, a little bit of our early review right here. We got, well, the Maniere Diffused Blue Jordan 3. As you guys can see, we got the Maniere tag. It's on this pair, excuse me. And we got the Nike Air tag. I got it in the box right here. A couple of the details. You guys can see that. Nike Air. And of course, the little tag and this nice little diffused blue color we got. But we're going to get into everything about this shoe and when it's going to be releasing, etc. I think we have those details. If not, then I'll leave them out the video. But we'll just, again, mainly what we're doing is showing y'all the sneaker, what they look like. I feel like that's probably the most important part. And yeah, we'll just get into that. So you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget, let's try to 300 likes on this video. Normal goal that we always shoot for. I usually don't distance from that too much, you know what I mean? But hey, drop a like if you like this shoot. That'll let me know. And of course, you can check me out. My Instagram's down below. I'm always buying and selling here. So if you ever want to do business with me, just see what I got for sale on my store. Shoot me an offer. Hit me up. Let me know. And yeah, I got the extra laces. All the small details are with these. I got the box too right here, so I'll show you all that. Of course, we got the box lid. It's a little bit different this time. I'll show you all that. Not the design, but how you put it on, etc. I think it is, at least. I don't remember the last threes too well, or we'll get back to mine in a bit. I remember the box was a bit different than the last ones. I don't know. I've forgotten some of the details about that one, so we'll get back home and I'll remember that in a bit. And you guys can also check us out at Resale Vision down below if you guys like undermarket sneakers. We do those almost every single day. So if you guys want to get in there, make sure you guys check that out and do not miss out on some of the deals that we have done recently. So I appreciate you guys as always. I don't think we have our weekly schedule done yet, but if we excuse me, then that's on the screen right there, so you all hopefully be able to see that. But yeah, that's all down below in the pinned comment. Make sure y'all don't miss out on that. I just like blanked out for like 20 seconds because I forgot what I was gonna say. But let's just get started. And again, don't miss out on some of those deals down below. Retail Wizard of Oz, lots of things I've been doing recently. Check it out. But yeah, again, first things I'm gonna show you guys. So aside from the sneaker, again, we'll get into showing y'all that in a second. So the box lid we got on them, as y'all can see, a little bit, different. They got it like front facing, you know what I mean, instead of it, going, because normally the Jumpman would be like, his head would be like right here, so it's a little bit different. I actually kind of like it, and that's why the sleeve, I wasn't supposed to drop that, but yeah, you can see it just would slide on like that. So two small details: box lid, box top. I don't feel like those are necessarily the most important parts to show about this sneaker. Some other important parts though, definitely show you guys. So here's the size tag on them. Y'all can see that. Got a size 10.5, so hopefully y'all see that right there. And I believe this is a men's pair. Let me double check that. Yeah, it is a men's pair. So there you go. It's not women's sizing, so for anybody that may be curious about that, I've never really cared about that, you know what I mean, since I can fit in a 10.5 W or a non-men's, so I'm never really left out of any releases, you know what I mean. I definitely understand some people's personal beef with that, because sometimes there's some really nice sneakers that they'll only do up to like size 12 W, and it's like, if you're a size 11, you're getting completely, they're just leaving you out, which sucks sometimes. I can definitely understand where I'd be upset there sometimes. And so imagine if they were doing that on some SB Dunk clothes. Ooh, man, the backlash would be crazy. But aside from that, you guys can see what we got right there. So the Maniere tag, that is right there. And I gotta be honest, man, I really like the colorway on these. Now, the black and blue, it fits together, decently well. It's not something that like completely throws off the sneaker, right? I actually think some people really like that, right? I don't know. I just remember my homie back in the day always telling me black and blue don't go together, but we used to completely disagree with that. I would still always wear black and blue, you know what I mean? I got some of my friends that are like real into that fashion stuff, you know what I mean? I'm not that picky, you know what I mean? But hey, trust me, there's some folks that are. But aside from me ranting about the homies, what we got right there, so you can see the Maniere logo, which is embroidered right there on the tongue tag. So pretty nice. And the other one, which just has, well, the Jumpman. So ta-da, that is what we got. This is the left shoe, this is the right shoe. So there y'all go. Now, aside from that, let me show you all the heel on these. This is actually probably most people's favorite part of the sneaker. I can definitely see why. So you kind of can see we got this cream or, almost like a slightly aged look to the back of the heel portion. I think just saying it's a cream colorway is better. And you can see you've got that blue Nike font, kind of that dark blue navy, which is fitting on it. Diffused blues, the color, and that's the exact same that we have here on the heel. Up here by, oh man, I don't want to mess up the name of it. Just, we can just say, you put the laces through there. There we go. We'll keep it short and simple. And let me actually get into showing y'all the extra laces with these. So first set we got right here. Oh, well, there you go. It actually had fallen out the container. So we got kind of this cream set right here. Hopefully y'all can see that. So we got a cream set of laces right there. There we go. Let me put that back together. So cream laces. Oh, hold up. We got another set right here. So I think it's another set of cream laces. Well, yeah, I think both of them go in there. So that makes sense. And yeah, I think it's just cream extra laces with these. I could be wrong. I'm checking in the box. Also, don't forget the Nike Air tag with these. Very, very nice. I think this will fit pretty well. Of course, you can hang it up on the sneakers. You can wear them with them. You know what I mean? Just completely up to you. Depending on what you want to do. So, again, extra laces, Nike tag. Let me show you all again. normal portion we have on most Maniere 3s, they'll put like this kind of signature logo right here so you guys can see that. It says Maniere. Let me really try and get closer. There you go. So here we go. We can get a zoom in on this even, you know what I mean? Really get official here. So you can see it's kind of that quilted look, and that is what we got on the inside of the sneaker. So you can see it's just Maniere and then a signature. I believe that signature is from the owner of Maniere. I could be wrong on that, but yeah, if my camera would, you know, focus. There we go. Boom. So there you can really see everything with it. That's right there on the inside of the heel of the sneaker. And the heel, the insoles, why don't I just take them out? We'll take a look. Here is the insole on them right there. So you guys can see we got a 10.5, and that is the look of the insole of the sneaker right there. So pretty good. Again, that looks super comfortable. I've had the, you know, 3s before. Not this one, but the last ones. They're comfy. I recommend. I'm way too zoomed in on my face now. Y'all don't need to see me that much. Just had to reset my camera mic, so hopefully we're still recording here. But yeah, that's what we got with the upcoming Maniere Air Jordan 3 Diffused Blue. I really like that portion as well by the heel. I just think that fits really nicely. And yeah, overall just a clean sneaker, man, for the collection. So these are coming soon. I'll pop the drop date on the screen. I just don't remember it off the top of my head, but I'll look it up, and there you go. So that is on the screen right now. Make sure you guys do not miss this release, which will be coming soon. So a slightly little early review, you know what I mean, right here. We might do a little on-feet video soon. This is just not my size, so keep that in mind. But we'll do some shots right now of them close up and really show you guys if this sneaker is going to be worth the cop, which I feel like most of you probably have, you know, formulated your opinion by now. But we'll do some close-up shots, you know, for anybody that may still be undecided. Let's go. Oh, and also the soles on these. Almost forgot to show you all these. There we go. Quick little look. Pretty nice. And anyways, guys, that's pretty much all I need to say about, well, the upcoming Maniere Air Jordan 3 Diffused Blue, which we are going to be seeing soon, man. I like all the details we got with this sneaker. It's a pretty simple Jordan 3. They've obviously, you know, done the Jordan 3 model before a couple times. And yeah, well, there's just another addition to that. I think it's a good colorway, nice little simple one, not too much, not too little, and it just works together. So that is pretty much what we got with these 3s. Oh, also the soles on them. I almost forgot to show you all these. We probably showed them in the B-roll shots, but I know I didn't like officially show them during the video. So there we go. Y'all can see everything up close there. In case, again, we did not just do that in the B-roll shots. So there you go. You know, nice little details. Not like, again, there's nothing really too crazy that's revealed on the insole. Oh, and y'all have seen this too, of course, the portion by the back of the heel tab. I definitely showed this in the B-roll shots, but yeah, y'all can. There you go. Some writing back there in the heel tab, so make sure y'all just take that into account when you get your pair, just like the last ones. There's always, you know, little small hidden details they try and add like that. Also, some stuff written on, again, this one as well. So on both of them, make sure you guys are checking. There's some writing there, so just take a little look. There you go. And again, if anybody needs these, I actually have 9.5, 10, and 10.5, so hit me up on my Instagram if you're interested. I can get you a price for them. And yeah, we'll just box these up, and well, that's pretty much everything we got with the Diffused Blue. So if you guys want more early pair content, subscribe and like down below. Which trying to 300 likes in this video just lets me know these are the types of videos y'all want more of. And again, my IG's already shouted those out. It's all in the pinned comment, and us at Resale Vision. We do deals almost every single day. So if you guys like that, you want to get some undermarket sneakers or a chance to win those, make sure you guys get in there. And don't forget, we will potentially be having another giveaway coming soon. So if that's something y'all are interested, maybe for the metallic 5s, we have to see. We might wait because I'm hearing those actually might get a ton of stock. You know, might end up kind of being, it's probably not going to be like the Black Cement 3. Like, there's just much more hype for the metallic 5s, but I'm hearing some word that there might be a lot of pairs of those, and you know, you might just wait for, you know, something else coming up. You know what I mean? Like the first Travis Scott at 2025 or something, because you know that's coming soon. So, you know, well, I'm deciding. But that's it. We will see you all in the next one, and let me know your thoughts on this sneaker. If you're going to be copping or dropping. I will see you all in the next one tomorrow. Catch you guys then. Peace.